Now, what I'm gonna do now, I don't know. I'm just vlogging to make vlogs, and because if you keep progressing, then you will be happy and we will be happy. If it will be fun. Or if I vlog in like tourist area like Bodha and maybe English vlog, I will continue for some time because I want to improve my English. That's why I will improve. I will plan always doesn't work because hello and good morning everyone, and welcome to this video. And I don't know what's the challenge or this is a learning English day of learning, I don't know, but it's over crossed 40 days, I think so. So I am at now where I am at a highway road, and I'm now just vlogging and making some videos. Now what I'm gonna do now, I don't know. I'm just vlogging to make vlogs, and I'm just making videos. That's the thing which I'm doing now. And now I'm walk from here to there, and I will make vlogs. That's the thing, and I'm going to complete this challenge. So I don't know what I'm doing now. I don't know. So what I'm planning, should I make vlog I had a plan in my mind that I should vlog, I should go tourist area, and I should make vlog, and I should make some random vlogs, and I will I don't know. That's my planning. But should I do it now or should I do after some time? I don't know. That's the confusion which I'm getting now. But now, for now, I don't know. Okay, so it will be fun. If I vlog in like tourist area like Bodha and Soyambu, where I will speak in 3 languages: Hindi, English and Nepali. Should I do that or shouldn't I do that thing? Because I don't know, I'm just confused. Why I'm confused? Because I have to do lots of work, I have to do more and more works, and I have many plans and many ideas which I'm going to implement this year. So I don't think I should make Hindi vlogs and English. I will make Hindi vlogs and Hindi vlogs for fun, but I will not continue it for a long time. Maybe English vlog I will continue for some time because I want to improve my English. That's why I will improve. I will vlog in English language. But for now, I don't think I should make vlogs in Hindi language, because in future I will not continue it. So that's the thing. Yeah. So should I like make other videos? I had already made more and more videos, and I had many plans, but plans always don't go with plans. Like, we cannot depend on plans, because plans always doesn't work. Because I had make many plans, but my only some few plans worked, but all plans don't work. For now, I'm gonna just make some videos, and I'm just completing this challenge. That's the thing which I'm doing now. But I don't know, should I complete or should I make the video? Because I have to make many videos, and I have to make more and more videos. Yeah, and I am completing this challenge. Yeah, I hope you all are doing great. I hope you all are progressing. You all are making some progress in your life, because if you keep progressing, then you will be happy and we will be happy. If you don't progress, then we will not be happy. So you can see that scene. Now I will vlog for 7 minutes more, and after 7 minutes I will stop this vlog. But for now I have to vlog because I want to vlog. That's the thing. Yeah, so you can see I'm vlogging and I'm speaking English, but I'm not giving time to learn English because I have not finished the ORSOR courses, and I have not finished. I'm not practicing the ORSOR courses. I'm just practicing. I'm just vlogging. I'm doing something like a spoken practice, but I'm not practicing in paper. I'm not completing the task which is given by the ORSOR, and that's the thing. But that's bad because I have to complete all the tasks but I have assigned myself multiple tasks. That's why I cannot complete all the tasks, but I must finish all those work because that's my main task. And vlog is just for fun. I'm just vlogging to improve my spoken practice and to improve my English. That's the thing, yeah. So you can see that I've improved a lot, yeah. I have improved a lot, but I have to improve more and more because this is not enough, and I have to work on myself more and more because this is not enough, yeah. So what I think, many people have seen me in this area because I just keep vlogging, but I don't know who have watched me, more. What I think, many people watched me, and I know some people know me, but they don't just say wave me and just do it, don't talk me, because I'm just vlogging like psycho. I'm just vlogging like the person who has not mind. I hope you got my point. I hope you're getting my point. So that's why people will not talk with me because I'm like psycho. I'm a different person in this area because if it's different because and people will judge you. I don't know. They will judge or not, right? But they will watch you, but they will not going to talk with you because they will think you are different person. Yeah, okay. So for 4 minutes I will make vlogs, and after 4 minutes I'm complete this challenge. So what should I do? I'm just thinking, should I complete these videos or no? Should I complete the challenge or no? Not should I complete the challenge. Should I make vlogs in Hindi language or not? Should I make Hindi vlogs? That's what I'm thinking. So let's complete this challenge, and after completing this challenge I will not make videos. I just have to complete this challenge. Oh, my hands is paining because I'm holding mobile like this. Yeah. Now I can't see off because there is sun. You can see the sun. Yeah. You can see me dark. So now for some time I will make videos, and after some time I will finish this video. So whatever in my mind comes, I will just speak. I will just talk because I want to talk. I want to just speak. That's the thing, yeah. And I'm just improved a lot. I have improved myself, yeah. Now I'm relaxed, yeah. So the most important thing, we have to be relaxed. If you do anything, first be relaxed. If you are doing anything, just be first relaxed. If you be relaxed, then you can do the work in a great way. So most important thing is to relax and to take enough rest, because if you take enough rest and if you take enough rest and if you relax in the present, then you will do the work in a great way. So you can see this restaurant. I had come here many times, and when I used to do para work, I picked food here from here and I delivered in another place, yeah. So let's I had to only vlog for 2 minutes now. Now I'm gonna just stop here and I'm gonna just have a conversation with you, so you can see that. Okay, so you can see that there is nothing anything else. Now I'm gonna stop this vlog. Now I'm gonna just finish this vlog because I had to finish this vlog, and this challenge is going to be complete soon. And after completing this videos, I'm not going to make other videos because I had already made more and more videos. Now I have tasks. I had many tasks, but I had not started my work, and I'm going to my work priority. I'm going to give time to the work which is more important to me, because important work should be completed first. If you don't complete your important work, then it will be hard. It will be hard for me. It's hard for me and it's fun for me. So whenever I look at people, I got nervous. But if I don't look at people, I don't get nervous. Do you know why? Because if you look people, you think that people are thinking about you. But if you don't look at people, then you don't think people are looking at you and thinking about you. That's why don't look at people whenever you make vlogs or whenever you make videos in public, don't look at people, because whenever you look at public, you will be nervous and you are not going to talk, and you will be out of the zone, because whenever you look at public, you will be different in the beginning, but after practicing more and more, if you look at people, nothing matters, because it will be like what I'm thinking. It will nothing matter. People, you don't think about people, and people, you automatically get confident if you practice, and if you make vlogs if you make a lot of vlogs, then you will be confident automatically. So I am making vlogs for 7 months and 8 months, and I'm still vlogging, and it is fun to make vlogs. I'm just vlogging and I'm improving myself. That's the thing. Yeah, I have improved myself a lot. Now I had to break my comfort zone. At first time, whenever you guys watch my first time when I used to vlog, I can't vlog, but now I can vlog in anywhere and with anyone. Yeah. Now I'm gonna just stop this video. Okay, so you can see that I'm gonna this side, and I'm gonna just go, and I'm gonna make I'm going to think about something, and after thinking about something, then I will do other things. Okay, now I'm gonna just stop this video. We will meet soon. Thank you so much for watching and clicking this video, and thank you so much for watching me and clicking this video. We will meet soon. Thank you so much, and I don't have words. Keep growing and keep making progress. We will meet soon. Thank you so much everyone for watching and clicking in this video.